So we got this situation. We have to find out the coefficient of x power 4 in the expansion of this. So you know that it is three things, it is more than two things, means we have to apply a multinomial theorem, correct? So look at this. What I will assume, I will take n factorial by a factorial, b factorial, c factorial, 1 power a, x power b, and x square power c. Now can I write this thing as n factorial, a factorial, b factorial, c factorial, x power b plus 2c. Okay, now look at this. Let's have some conditions where we will have x power 4. So it is a, it is b, it is c. Suppose that c is 0. So if c is 0, b has all the responsibility to make power as 4. So 4, and then a will become what? 6. Correct? Now I want c to have 1. So if c will have 1, so 2 times 1 will become 2. So b should be 2. Then only 2 plus 2 will become 4. Correct now? So we got 3, and here we will have 7. Okay? Now I want c to take 2. So if c will take 2, it will become 4. So b has to be 0. So it will become 8. Okay? So required coefficient will become 10 factorial upon 6 factorial, 4 factorial, 0 factorial plus 10 factorial upon 7 factorial, 2 factorial, 1 factorial plus 10 factorial, 8 factorial, 0 factorial, 2 factorial. Okay, now we will simplify this thing, and then things are done. We got the required coefficient. I hope the idea is clear and you can handle similar situations. Okay.